Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Low call volume can be frustrating when using your iPhone for phone calls. However, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to fix this issue. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process step by step. First, open your settings. Scroll down and find accessibility and hit it. Now, tap touch. Find call audio routing. It is located at the bottom of the selections and tap it. If you set it on Bluetooth headset or speaker, it will automatically route the call to the selected preference. In this tutorial, we will select automatic. If you set automatic, the call will be sent if you have your AirPods on or Bluetooth speakers, and if you don't, it will automatically routed to your speaker. Now, go back by tapping touch and tap accessibility. Tap on the hearing devices. If you have hearing aids, turn it on. But if you don't have one, make sure it is turned off. Now we need to go back to the settings homepage by tapping the back icon twice. After that, we need to go to the sounds and haptics and tap it. You can see here a bunch of options, but we will tap headphone safety. Now we can turn it off, or we can just increase the level of the sound to have a louder sound to come through when you are calling. We can also fix low sounds on call by turning your volume all the way up. You can do that by tweaking with your physical buttons on the side of your phone or accessing your control center. At the right side of it, you can see your volume level. You can increase or decrease your volume here. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the low call volume issue on your iPhone. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching.